I'm Sandra, and here we are at the entrance of the trails of the Sawiwa Round Mountain. This sacred site used to be a place where native Chumash inhabitants gathered for the winter solstice. They would set up shrines to celebrate harmony, healing, compassion, and forgiveness. These century-old traditions died out nearly 200 years ago. In September of 2019, CSUI students, staff, faculty, and alumni joined together with Chumash descendants and members of the Santa Monica Mountain Trails Council for the inaugural Round Mountain Day of Service. They hope to restore Sawiwa as a sacred Chumash shrine and later open the trail and mountaintop to the public as a cultural and recreational site. Thank you for joining us on our radical walking tours. Hit like and subscribe and leave a comment below.